So welcome, this is the Microsoft Teams homepage. So if you're using the desktop app, when you load it up and log in, it should appear to you like this. Now you can see I've got a range of different classes that I'm a part of in here. So what you'll expect to see is the child's classes from school. They will all populate into here, so they'll look much different to mine. Down the side, so I'll explain through these functions for you. So the activity button, that just shows everything that you've done in order of recent actions that you've made. This chat function opens up a direct one-to-one chat, so you can compose new messages, you can search for teachers, and you can send messages one-to-one with those. That's a student to teacher one-to-one message. Teams here, so this is the overview that I've got now. This is where I can see all my different class teams. And then here, this assignments tab on the left hand side, I should be able to get an overview of all the assignments that have been set during that week. So you should be able to click on that and you should be able to see a bit of an overview for all your different classes. There's not much else that you'll need to use with these functions here, but that should be enough to get you started. Okay, so I'm just going to take you in to show you what a team might look like. So when you go into here, this is a team I've set up specifically for this video. So my science team. So I'm a student in this team, so what you'll see first of all is that the buttons along the top that I'm going to talk you through shortly, and here we've got this post. So this is the main team, and as you can see the teacher has made it accessible for me to actually write conversations on here. So if I'm going to write a conversation, I may want to ask a question about the homework. Could I have some help with the homework on cells, please? And then you may wish to ask a specific question. I am unsure what the nucleus is. Okay, so then you may post that question. Now, if you want that question to go to the group, you can just leave it as it is. You can, but if you want to type anyone specific within that group that you want to ask that question to, for example, your teacher, if you click the @ button, and it should come up with a list of people that are in that group. Now, I've only got Dr. Benskin in there at the minute, so I'm going to click on Dr. Benskin, and then that message will send a pop-up notification direct to Dr. Benskin so that she can see the question that I've asked. And if it's in the group, everybody else can see it, so it might be a question that somebody else is having trouble with as well. So then you might post that question on the group, and then it will come up, and then hopefully at some point you'll get a reply. Some other features on here, so these are homeworks that have been set. We'll look at homework in another video, but on the side you can see there's different emojis that you can press. You can almost acknowledge that something's been published, and you can put that on there, and that'll give a notification to your teacher and let you know that you've seen that, and those various different types of things. If you want to attach a file, if you want to share something with the group, so you could click on this attach button here, so then that'll give you an opportunity to upload a document from your computer. So it could be, you might want to share a good example of homework, or maybe an image or something that relates to the lesson that people might benefit from. Okay, but ultimately that's a group where all the students in the class will be, and you can share and talk to students within your class, and you can support each other with the various different tasks that have been set if you wish. Thank you.